In today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to change your Behance URL or username. This is a straightforward process, but it's crucial for personal branding, as your Behance profile is often the first impression you make in the creative community. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to the Behance website. Open your favorite web browser and type in behance.net to get started. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. This is your gateway to personalized settings, and it's crucial that you're logged in to access these features. After clicking on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you can manage your account preferences and make changes to how your profile appears to others. On the Settings page, you'll notice various tabs along the side. Navigate until you find the section labeled Behance URL. This is the area where you can edit your profile link, making it more representative of your personal or professional brand. Click on the Edit button next to it to start the process. You'll now see a text box where you can type in your new desired URL or username. Here's a tip. Choose something concise, memorable, and ideally reflective of your creative work or professional identity. Keep in mind that your chosen URL will be how people find you on Behance, so make it count. Once you've entered your preferred new URL, take a moment to double check it. It's important to ensure there are no typos or errors because this will be how people access your portfolios and creative publications moving forward. Finally, you'll want to save your changes. Look for the Apply button, typically found below the URL text box, and click it. This will update your profile with the new URL, solidifying your new online identity. Once you click Apply, the change is instantaneous, and your Behance portfolio will now be accessible via the new link. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Behance URL. Remember, changing your URL is about showcasing your brand and making it easier for others to connect with your creative work. By following these steps, you've ensured your profile is both professional and personalized. If at any point you wish to change it again, simply repeat these steps. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for helping you navigate the digital creative world.